Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Cash App won't let me create account. So guys, in order for you to do this is to make sure you have the latest version of the Cash App. So just go to your Google Play Store and search for Cash App. And from here, when you have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And guys, the second method in order for you to fix this issue is go to your settings. And on the settings, guys, just go over to the apps, and then on the apps, guys, now search for the cash application and tap on it. And then over here, guys, if you scroll down below, you'll be able to see storage. Just tap on the storage, and from here you should be able to see clear cache. So go ahead and do that, and also clear data, and then click OK. And then from there, you should be able to fix the problem. And guys, the last option is try to reinstall the application. So first, uninstall the app. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install the application again. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix the Cash App won't let me create account. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!